Johnny's Bar and Grill, Mexican and American cuisine with daily and weekly specials, juicy burgers, mouth-watering tacos, and more. 1519 West Highway 150 in Lincolnton.
This is Community Focus on the WHKY News. I'm Rob Eastwood. The City of Hickory is looking into enforcing regulations related to signs. Arianna Mack has that story.
That's correct. Hickory residents, the City of Hickory is considering amendments to its land development code to strengthen enforcement of sign regulations. Under the proposed changes, a notice of violation would no longer be required if the same violation has previously been issued to the same violator at the same property within the past 2 years. In these cases, the violator could be charged with the continuing violation without additional notice. The updates would apply to various types of signage, including yard signs, feather flags, inflatables, and similar displays. A public hearing on the proposed amendments was held during the Hickory Regional Planning Commission meeting on Wednesday, January 28th. The Planning Commission voted unanimously 5-0 to recommend approval of the changes. The amendments will now move forward for consideration by the Hickory City Council during a public hearing at its regularly scheduled meeting on Tuesday, February 17th. If approved, the changes will be adopted into the city's land development code. For more information, contact the Planning and Development Department at 828-323-7422. Reporting for WHKY, I'm Arianna Mack.
Thanks, Arianna. The North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services released a report recently detailing progress increasing access to quality mental health, developmental disability, and substance use services for all North Carolinians. The Year 1 Progress Report on the NCDHHS Division of Mental Health, Developmental Disabilities, and Substance Use Services 2024 to 2029 Strategic Plan highlights achievements in the 7 priority areas geared toward creating a comprehensive mental health care system that works for everyone. The 7 priorities outlined in the plan are increased access to care across the state, increased access to quality intellectual and developmental disabilities and traumatic brain injury services, prevent substance misuse and overdose, build the workforce, strengthen the crisis system, expand services for individuals in the justice system, and amplify recovery and community-based services. You can get much more on this by going to our website, WHKY.com. The public is invited to enjoy a history lecture as part of Alexander County's America 250 events and the 179th anniversary of that county. The lecture will be held Saturday, February 21st at 3 p.m. in Davis Hall at First Baptist Church of Taylorsville. Walter Lee Sharp will discuss Alexander County history, while Rebecca Parsons Dula will present Black history information from 1926 to the present. These presentations are intended to enlighten and educate everyone. Refreshments will be served following the lecture. That wraps up Community Focus and the WHKY News for today. Remember, you can get all of the latest news and sports 24/7 at our website, WHKY.com. We also have local news and sports 7 days a week on our sister station, WHKY Radio. That's 1290 AM and 102.3 FM, and streaming on multiple platforms and at our website. Thank you so much for joining us. On behalf of Arianna Mack, David Cedrone, and Jason Savage, I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, this is the WHKY News.